this is your girl J Baby and welcome back to the channel. So today's video is definitely going to be on a synthetic wig. This wig is from Samsbeauty and this is how she looks. She is gorgeous. Comb here, comb here. We have a comb here as well as adjustable straps. The lace is really beautiful. Look at the space here, honey. Look at this space. This is beautiful. The texture of the hair is like so. She is the Butta lace loose wave and she's a 30-inch and she's a number 1. This is what she looks like. Undetectable HD lace. So on the back it says, see the difference between the normal and all of that. And this is in a loose wave, human hair and premium fiber blend, full body movement, virtually undetectable HD lace, blends with most skin tone, ear to ear lace with a wide 5-inch deep hand tied parting area, pre-plucked with baby hair along the hairline, natural and full, maximum density. So let's go ahead on and get into her. She is so beautiful. You see the baby hairs? You see that? She is gorgeous. I cannot wait to install, so let's go ahead and get into the install. Y'all, I am so in love with this butter lace. The loose wave 30-inch. I am in love with this wig. She is so super soft. And she did have like a little tangle. And actually she's going across my brooch right here. But she did have a little tangle. But once I got that tangle out, she was good to go. And you know that this is synthetic hair, honey. So it's not human hair. But she gives you that human hair effect. She is gorgeous. She is so gorgeous. So I have installed her for you guys to let y'all know that, honey, you can install her. You can put her baby hairs down. You can treat her as though she is a human hair wig. Treat her as though she is your hair. She is gorgeous. She is so gorgeous. So I'm going to go ahead on and put some pictures on Instagram. That way you can be able to see her. She is gorgeous. She is so gorgeous. I am so excited. And this is the Loose Wave 30 Butter Lace, and it's in the What Lace collection, and it comes in a variety of colors for you. That way you can get your glam on, girl. Get your glam on. She is so beautiful. I'm loving her. She's super soft. She's super long, like I like it. So I will leave everything you need down in the description box. And this is from Samsbeauty.com. So look up, I'm sorry y'all from looking right here. I should be looking right here. So you can purchase her on Samsbeauty.com. And it is, again, the butter lace. What lace? What lace, boo? What lace? And she is the loose wave in 30-inch. She's gorgeous. Alright, so I will catch you guys in my next video. And be blessed and not stressed. Mwah.